Kusenjalo, imibutho eyahlukeneyo yoluntu ibhengeze uqhankqalazo olucwangcisiweyo kuzwelonke ngoLwesihlanu esibheke kuwo malunga nengxaki yokugula okubangelwa kukutya okunetyhefu. Isitsho esithi kuninzi ekufuneka kwenziwe ukulungisa lo mba oqoqisa ilizwe liphela. Imibutho ebandakanyekayo iquka iSouth African Concerned Citizens, iBlack Business Unity, United Truck Drivers of South Africa, iSisonke People's Forum, iRholihlahla Community Movement, iYatukakasi Economy, iTshwane Bahlali Dudula, Into Yethu Movement kunye neminye imibutho emininzi.
Inhlangano ezahlukahlukene zomphakathi zimemezela ukuvalwa kwezwe okuhleliwe nokusemthethweni ngoLwesihlanu mayelana nenkinga yokugula okubangelwa ukudla. Zithi kusekuningi okumele kwenziwe ukulungisa lolu daba, kanti-ke usihlalo wezinye zalezi zinhlangano okuyi-South African Concerned Citizens okunguMnumzane uCosmos Motha uthi-ke into abayifisayo ukulalelwa kwezikhalazo zabo, uthi bakhathazekile ngokudlula kwabantwana emhlabeni.
We are saying to the government and everybody else in South Africa, let us be a lawful country, because there is a law here in South Africa. It is just that it is not upheld. It is just that maybe, I speak on correction, maybe our government thinks they are above the law, thinks because they are in power. I'm talking in brackets, power. They are not in power. The government is not in power. The citizens of South Africa, they are in power. And then we are very much concerned about the deaths of the kids, the children of South Africa. We've got illegal foreigners from Asia, the Bangladeshis, Egyptians, Ethiopians, Somalis, all those illegal foreigners coming here in disguise of being refugee seekers.
Uthuma-ke sibe khona okanye sibe khona iy'mpendulo ey'vela kuhulumeni, angeke sibe khona isidingo sokuthi ngoLwesihlanu bavalizwe. Uma-ke zingabanga khona iy'mpendulo, uthi bayaqinisekisa ukuthi-ke izoba khona i-shutdown. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu, ngisiSoweto.